Hey, what's up, you guys? Ex-electrical engineer to full-time online business owner and coach and mentor to thousands of students online. So I recently put together a 3-step framework that has dramatically changed my life from working a 9-to-5 job that I hated, working 60 hours a week, driving to and from work in traffic and not being able to spend quality time with my wife and daughter, to now building a 6-figure online business from scratch. More importantly, being able to leave my 9-to-5 job in just 9 months. And I did this as a complete beginner. So what I'm going to show you is my simple 3-step framework on how to build an online business from scratch. I'm going to take you through step by step and click by click on how to build and launch your first online business. This isn't going to be one of those fluffy trainings where I'm just going to go over theory. I'm actually going to give you the tools and the resources and the training you need to be able to build your first business. But more importantly, guys, is I'm going to teach you how to build a long-term sustainable business that's going to pay you for years and years to come. I'm honestly tired of all these systems out there that just say, click a button here and build a business overnight. I'm going to teach you the actual skills you need to build your business for the long term, because here's the deal, guys. I'm tired of these systems that aren't teaching you the right way. They just want you to click a button here and make money. So if you're truly interested, guys, I want you to take my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where we're going to walk you through how to build your business from scratch. And if you stick with me the whole 3 days of this challenge, I promise you your entire perspective of how building a successful online business will change dramatically, because the things I'm teaching are changing the industry. Again, guys, I'm tired of all this BS of people teaching the same old methods that aren't even working. My goal for you is to help you build a long-term sustainable business that's going to pay you for years and years to come. So if you're ready to take the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, make sure to sign up, guys. You're going to have instant access to the challenge. I'm excited to teach you guys. We'll see you in there.